I would now like to take a look at the names of aldehydes and ketones. For a start, let's look at what the functional groups look like. An aldehyde has the C double bond O on the end of the chain. That means we have an H connected to the C double bond O, and ketones have a C double bond O in the middle of the chain. When we're naming aldehydes, they always end in the suffix al, so this would be called hexanal. There's no need to state the positioning of the C double bond O because we know it's going to be on the end of the chain. We also know that the numbering of the chain will begin at the aldehyde group and everything will be numbered in relation to that. So this will be numbering 1, and in here this would be, even though it's not included in the name, this would be 3,3-dichloro-4-methylhexanal. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So 3,3-dichloro-4-methylhexanal. Ketones will have to have their position in the chain specified because the C double bond O could be on any of these. If I called it octanone, that wouldn't be enough information. It has to be 4-octanone. The other way of naming these is by naming them as ketones. So we would name each side of the ketone, and that would be butyl and propyl. So it would be butyl, propyl, the space, and then the word ketone. It doesn't really matter if these are alphabetical or not in naming it the second way. It certainly matters in naming it the first way, but the second way it doesn't really matter. But generally speaking, I like to keep them in alphabetical order just for the sake of simplicity. So this here would be 2-methyl, 3-pentanone, 1, 2, 3, and in this case this would be 1,1-trichloro, 2-butanone, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the ketone group is part of a ring, it's assumed to be in the 1 position. This would be cycloheptanone, not 1-cycloheptanone. Then all numbering is relative to that, and we again go for the lowest possible numbering and put everything in alphabetical order. 5-bromo, 2,4,4, trimethyl cyclohexanone would be the name of this one.